Stock Market for Dummies, a beginner's introduction to stock markets. Whether you want a quick recap of the facts of stock markets or a beginner's primer, this video gives you a basic understanding of Stock Market for Dummies. There are many reasons you might be interested in learning about the stock market from a beginner's perspective. You might want a quick and dirty lowdown on what stock markets are and how they can earn you money. You might be confused about all the stock market investing jargon out there and want someone to clear it up for you. You might want to learn about the stock market but haven't a clue where to begin. Whatever your reason, you're on the right track in wanting to learn about how the stock market works because it is one of the surest ways of multiplying your money. Here is the most basic stuff about the stock market investing that you need to know to get started. Think of this as Stock Market for Dummies. So, what is a stock market? A stock market is essentially like any other market, a place to buy and sell something, which in this case are stocks. Stocks are instruments of ownership in a company. In other words, owning stock in a corporation means you own part of that organization. Owning stock also generally gives you the right to vote on important decisions in that company. How does the stock market work? A stock market works on the same economic principles as supply and demand that any other market works on. When demand is high and supply is limited, the price of stocks go up. And when demand is low and stocks are aplenty, it drives down the price of stocks. The price of a stock is an important indicator of a company's viability. If the stock price goes up consistently over a long period of time, say a year or two, then the stock is generally deemed a good investment. What are the financial benefits of stock market investing? Most people invest for two reasons: to maintain their wealth or to increase their wealth. If you're like most people, you fall into the latter category because you want to make money by investing in stock. The way to earn an income from stocks is through dividends. Companies pay out dividends to its stockholders as a way of thanking them for investing in the company. Dividends are a percentage of the profit that the company has earned. Since you're a part owner of the company, through your stock investment, you're entitled to a part of the earnings. Your dividend amount generally represents the value of the stock you hold in the company. So, how soon can I make money with stocks? Stock market investing is a long-term game plan, so be ready to have a long-term investment strategy. Short-term investing, anything less than a year, is called speculating, and is considered risky. Long-term investing is better because stocks tend to fluctuate, sometimes wildly, on a daily basis, but become stable over time and is generally easier to spot and utilize data from stock market trends over the long term. What are stock market trends? If you've ever watched financial news and analysis, you've heard of a bull market and the bear market. Essentially, the stock market is called bullish when the economy is looking good and more people are buying stock than selling. The stock market is called bearish when more selling than buying is going on and the economic outlook is looking towards a downturn or perhaps even a recession. Since stock market trends gradually become apparent over time, it's useful to analyze past market data combined with future economic outlooks to predict which direction the stock market will take. Understanding when a bull or bear market is about to hit is the key to understanding when to get in or out of the stock market. Doing your market research is vital to understanding how the stock market functions. And once you understand how it functions, making money from stock investing can be a great way to generate income for the years to come. So whether you want to save up for retirement, set up an income stream, or become a major player in the stock market, remember to follow the advice given here to understanding the stock market. If you're a beginner, start by reading as much as you can on Stock Market for Dummies.